So how to use the flashlight for a Huawei Fit 4. So from the main button, the wheel, just turn it down once and you should see this menu here. Click on flashlight and this is how it looks. You can also change the colors. It can also flash, something like this if you want to use it like a warning. And these are the options, just color and flash. You can also pick, it has a hex grid, you can pick the color. Most likely you want to use it white with none, so most likely this is how it looks. Alright, thank you for watching.